Today's featured car of the day is a 1956 Jaguar XK140 MC Roadster. And I'll read from the seller's comments at the auction. And the seller stated 1956 Jaguar XK140 MC Roadster. The car was purchased by our consignor April 14th, 1976 from Alex Trebek of the Jeopardy TV show fame for $6,875. Alex was unknown at the time, out of work, looking for a job, and needed to part with the car. Includes binder full of documentation, including copy of bill of sale from Alex to our consignor, signed letters from Alex to our consignor, and numerous photos of Alex in the car. The car underwent a complete frame-off restoration in 1991. All documented with photos, includes Jaguar Heritage Certificate. The car has also won numerous first-in-class awards at many car shows due to the high-quality restoration. And it had 74,123 miles on it with the six-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, and it bid to $100,000 but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.